Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to install Miniconda for Python. So you just need to write Miniconda in the search bar of Google Chrome and it will open this page. And then right click on the link and open this in a new tab like this. In here, you need to download Miniconda. And now scroll down to the bottom. In here is Miniconda installer. So you can download this clicking on this button. It takes you to this page. In here you have three options: Windows, Mac or Linux. Since I'm installing for Windows, therefore I leave it on Windows. In here again you have two options: Anaconda distribution, Miniconda distribution. So this is the Miniconda is the light one, and therefore I install the Miniconda instead of Anaconda. I download the installer to my computer and save this to a folder. So here I save this. Okay, it is downloaded and now I open this in folder. And here is Miniconda. I double click this to run it and I click on next and simply I click on agree. Just me recommended for all users. I'll click this for all users. Yes. And this is the default directory for installing C program data Miniconda. So Miniconda 3 would be in the folder name. You can change this by clicking on the browse button and can pick where to save it, but where to install it. But I leave this on the default directory. And you see here it gives memory needed 506 megabytes, space available this much. So I just click on next and create a shortcut. That's good idea. Let it be created and then install. And you see here installation complete. So I again click next. Getting started with Anaconda. Welcome Anaconda. So I leave them so that it opens the Anaconda. And now if I go to my start menu, I have Anaconda PowerShell prompt, Anaconda prompt shell. I can open any of them. So let me open Anaconda prompt. So it is taking my name and this is the Anaconda prompt. Similarly, if I open the other one, I can come here and I open this one. Then this is the PowerShell prompt. And again, see user shown and that is there. So this way you can install Miniconda or Anaconda PowerShell. At the end, thanks for watching Safi Mixed.